If you're one of those who enjoy capturing every moment of your adventures, I bring you something new for you. I present to you my new digital travel journal designed for you to personalize to your liking and document every detail of your next great adventure. This diary is designed to be your ideal companion on every trip. You have dedicated pages to plan and dream. You can write down those wonderful places you have always wanted to visit. And those you have already had the opportunity to see. Additionally, there are sections where you can write all the details even before your trip. From the moment you start preparing so that you don't forget anything behind, reserving your form of transportation and where you plan to stay. To each destination you want to visit. And when you are already living your adventure, you have diary pages that you can decorate and personalize however you want. Would you like to add photos of your trip? Or maybe small digital reminders like tickets or flight confirmations? All of that is possible. At the end of the journal, you will find extra pages to add or exchange with the originals, and that feed your important trip details. Adventures are lived, but memories are kept forever. With this travel journal, you will not only live unforgettable experiences, but you will also have a special place to save them and relive them whenever you want. Make every trip count and start making memories today with your new travel journal. I leave you here at discount coupon and expect more surprises with your diary. And see you very soon, where I will share with you how I use my travel journal on my adventures. Bye-bye!